Yeah, now it is fine.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was saying that I am an English teacher and I teach since 2011. I am teaching English.
Oh.
So tell me, what are your hobbies, Ritika? What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to add with my father. And right now I don't have my football here, so I can't play football.
Okay. So are you there in Sagar for
nice
vacation?
Yes, there's a nice terrace. So I and my sister always play their hide and seek.
Okay, that's nice.
And which can you tell me your hobby?
My hobbies is reading books and talking with people.
Reading books.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English, ma'am. And what about you?
English and economics.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Economics.
What does that mean?
You know geography?
No, I don't have those subjects in my school.
Oh, so you will have, these are higher secondary subjects. So when you go in higher secondary, my dear, you will have these subjects.
Okay.
So tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like going to park and I like eating outside.
Oh.
I like eating pani puri.
Okay.
And in your free time, ma'am?
I hardly get free time, my dear. Okay, do you know what is pani puri called in English?
I don't know, ma'am.
Water balls.
Water balls. I and my sister have fun with water ball. Water balloon, not water ball. It's very fun.
Yes. So you play with water balloon during Holi. Okay?
Yes,
and,
during Holi, it's my favorite.
Yes. And you say about pani puri, then you use the word water balls.
Water balls.
Yes.
Do you like this?
No.
Why? Are you a vegetarian?
No, it's too spicy. I don't like to eat spicy stuff.
There is spicy one also and sweet one also.
Yes, I can take sweet one.
But when I eat sweet one, I want to eat something spicy.
So then you change, is it?
Yeah, if I will say, Mommy, I don't want sweet now because my neck is hurt.
Okay. Tell me, which is your favorite festival?
I like Holi, Diwali, and what else was? There's one festival when Krishna's birthday comes. I don't know, when we climb on the back.
Janmashtami.
Yes, my birthday is. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, your camera is off.
Oh, here I am. Okay, so tell me about Holi, Ritika.
Holi, I like Holi because it's a festival of colors and we have to, what do you say that?
We apply color.
Yes.
To each other. We play with colors. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem, my dear. Yes, so we were talking about Holi.
Yes. Do you like Holi?
I don't like Holi, but then yes, I do celebrate the Holika. Holika festival that is done. That
Ma'am,
puja, Holika puja.
Ma'am, do you take fast?
Do you do fasting? You cannot take fast. No, I don't do fasting, my dear.
But my grown-ups do that. My father.
Elders.
Adults. Elders do that.
Yes, they do.
So
Have you?
you are also elder, ma'am. You're also
Yes.
elder.
But I don't fast.
You don't
So
take
tell
fast.
me. No, I don't do fasting. I see. We cannot take fasting. So take is not the correct form. Okay. You say I don't do fasting.
I don't do fasting.
Yes. Okay. And tell me, what do you like about Diwali?
Diwali is a festival of light. Oh, my sister.
And
I like Diwali because Ram was free from,
Lord Ram.
yes, Lord Ram saved Sita Mata. That's why.
Saved Sita from where?
Ravan caught her. She was in prison for a long time. That's why.
Yes. Yes.